Hello, Tiffany Stewart with Illinois Extension. I'm here today to make a quick apple tuna salad. Wash hands with soap and water. Gently rub produce under cool running water. For this recipe, you will need one 12-ounce can water-packed tuna, drained, 1 cup apples, unpeeled and diced, 1/2 cup celery, chopped, 1/4 cup nuts, chopped, 1/2 cup low-fat mayonnaise or plain yogurt. Combine all ingredients and chill. You can enjoy this salad as a wrap on whole wheat bread or as a dip for your crackers.
Eat, Move, Save.